Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Afshan Ahmed. Today we're gonna speak about poultry farming, the production of the poultry farming, the chicken, how it is made, and what all the equipments is needed, the resources, the tools, and all kind of stuff. We're gonna study and look and get to know what it is done. Let's get started. So friends, we have raised this farm. This farm is highly situated in the fruit farming area, and it also has the advantages of the fruit trees which is surrounded by the farm. As you can see, the farm is fully surrounded by the huge chiku tree, and also mango trees are there in the backyard. This has the good advantages for the improvement and the growing of the chicken. So let's show you from the inside. Come on. So friend, this is the poultry farming which we are talking. This farm has the highly storage of 5,000 birds in the single farm. You can see it has the length of 215 feet length, and it has the width of 28 feet. Let's go inside. This is the transport system. This is the first part of the chicken, and as you can see, there's a lot of chicken hatched in this farm. There's totally 5,000 of chicks. So friend, here we are on the heating area, and you can see a small little chicken running around and feeding. These chicks are just of 1 day old. It has dispatched and came here yesterday, and it is on the good health, as you can see. Also, this heating area has the 2 drums of iron, which is used to heat the area and get the temperature what all needed. So friend, this is the making of manufacturing the chicks. This is the first stage. As the days go on passing, the growth, how the growth improves of the chicken, I'll